baby, why's your man not here? Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys how I made these two lovely mirror decor. Alright everyone, here's the items that we'll be using for this lovely mirror decor, and everything will be listed down in the description box where you guys can go down and check out and see where I got everything and the links and everything for you guys if you would like to make this lovely home decor for yourself. Alright everyone, let's get started on this nice, simple and easy DIY. Okay, we have the square mirrors here from the Dollar Tree we'll be using, and you guys, this DIY is going to be so fast. So fast and easy. Okay, so we're going to take the three mirrors and we're just going to line them up in this pattern here. And then I'm going to use some E6000 and some hot glue gun, and we're going to attach the mirrors together. And now we're just gonna turn them over, and we're gonna take these popsicle sticks that I got from the Dollar Tree also, and we're gonna double them because the center mirror is taller, so we're gonna double the popsicle sticks to add some height for the two lower mirrors. And now we're going to use a large popsicle stick and join our three mirrors together. As you see, I'm using the E6000 and the glue gun, you guys. Just for extra support, we're just adding these popsicle sticks at the back. And now I'm putting two extra popsicle sticks at the side for the command strips. I'm just going to put one on each side at the top and at the bottom. And now we're going to bling out our decor with some lovely gems, which I got from Totally Dazzled. Now these gems have the little tabs at the back, but that's not a problem. You just take a little clipper and just snap them. And they don't come off completely, you guys. So we're just going to cut them in two because they're in a circle, and to take off as much as we can, and then we're just going to press them down to the side, and they just flatten out very easy. Not hard at all. You just press and they flatten out. Here's how they look, all flattened out. I hope you guys can see that good in the camera, but they just lay down flat and it's perfect now. So now we're just going to add our glue gun, our glue with it, which is the Gorilla Glue I'm using, guys, and add it to our design. And now I have this larger one, which I'm going to take off the back also, which they come off very easy. And then we're just going to add our glue and put it onto our design also. Now it's time to add our candle holder, and I'll be using the E6000 and the glue gun to glue down our candle holder. And now for our final touch, we'll be adding this gem to the center of our candle holder here with our hot glue. And then we're going to have this set overnight so the E6000 will dry firmly. Remember, don't touch it, just let it set overnight. And here's our finished look, you guys. Our two lovely Glam mirrored wall decor, or wall sconce. You can call them that too, because that's what they are. But I think they turned out oh so lovely. And I'm so glad I used the gems. The gems from Totally Dazzled. I am just in love with her gems. You see how much of them I order? OMG. When you go on her site, you see so much nice things. I just want to buy everything. But I order what I need and I make my decor to how I want. And it turned out lovely. I had the vision in my head, but I didn't really picture it as this glam. OMG. It's absolutely beautiful. And it's quick, it's easy, it's simple. You know, using items from the Dollar Tree, which are cheap, and items from Totally Dazzled, which are cheap also. I love it. I love it for my glam touch. OMG. And here we go. You could put it this way too. Doesn't this look cute? I would have to make one more and just light up the three of them right beside each other. I think that's a nice look too. I might just add one more. But I think it looks absolutely lovely. Alright everyone, I want to show you exactly how I use my command strips and hang up my stuff. This is these two I have is medium and a small. I usually use large, but I don't have any large right now, so I'm going to be using the medium one. So I just want to show you, because a lot of you tell me that when you use the command strips, they fall off, they this, they that, which I really don't know why. I use them all the time, and everything is around my home hung up with them. As you guys can see within my videos, they're still hanging there, and it's the command strips. You know, I haven't taken them down or anything, they haven't fallen down. Anyways, I put one there already, so I'm going to put another one, and I put it down here, and I'm just going to press it firmly onto the decor. Press it firmly, you guys, so it sticks. Then I'm going to put the small one in the middle. I use 3. And when I use my bigger pictures, I use 6 to 8. I don't use what they say, I always use a little more, just to be cautious. But you see, I have the 3 of them there. Then I'm going to take the tabs off the back, just peel them off, and then you hang them up. I remember, wipe the surface. Wherever you're going to be placing them on your wall, wipe the surface also, because dust does get on the walls. And that will impede the sticker from sticking properly. So just wipe the surface where you're placing them. And then you put them up on the wall, and once you place them on the wall, press firmly again on the wall with them. Press down very firmly where you know the stickers are. Just hold those parts of the wall and add some extra pressure. And this is where I place them, you guys. Next to my bling out mirror decor. Remember when I did that mirror? If you guys haven't seen it, I'll leave a link to the video in my description box, so you guys can check out how I made that mirror that's in the middle. But this is where I placed them. I think they look so super cute and glam next to this. It looks so nice. I absolutely love it. See you guys, something plain, simple, easy, and inexpensive. And it looks like, I don't know, it looks something out of Z Gallery, I guess. But I think it looks absolutely lovely. And the gems from Totally Dazzled, like I said, I'm in love with her gems. OMG. And if you check down below my description box, there'll be a link to Totally Dazzled, so you guys can go over and check out her gems and make some of this lovely decor for yourself. And here they are with 2 little white candles in them. I hope you can see it good. Yeah, I placed 2 candles in them. I think they look so nice and elegant. Anyways, everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of my glam, blinged out, mirrored wall sconce. Yeah. Tell me what you think. Leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up. Press the like button. And if you're not subscribed, press that subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share with you guys. And thanks for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did today. And I hope my tips about the command strips helped. Alright everyone, Remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye.